In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get coupons on Alibaba app. Let's walk through where to find your coupons and how to use them so you don't miss out on savings. Start by opening Alibaba on your phone or navigating to alibaba.com in a browser. Make sure you're signed into your account. Coupons are tied to your profile and you won't see them otherwise. If you shop in a specific region or currency, double check those settings so the coupon options match your market. Next, head to the Orders area. On the website, you'll see an Order button near the upper right. Click that to open your order dashboard. This is your hub for purchases, but it also provides access to your account benefits, including coupons. On the left side of the screen, look for the Order section in the sidebar. Hover over it, or tap if you're on a touch device, and select Coupons. This takes you to the place where Alibaba groups your savings options. If you don't see coupons right away, scroll the sidebar. It's easy to miss among other account links. Now choose Coupons and Credit. This page shows two important things: your available coupons and any bonus credit tied to your account. You'll typically see platform coupons from Alibaba and seller-specific coupons offered by individual stores. Each coupon will display key details like the minimum order amount, categories it applies to, whether it's limited to a single store, and the expiration date. Always skim these terms so you know exactly when and where the discount works. Once you have a coupon available, you can use it at checkout. Some coupons apply automatically when your cart meets the requirements. Others provide a code to enter. If a code is shown, copy it and paste it into the coupon or promo field during checkout. Confirm that the discount appears in your order summary before you pay. If it doesn't, check the coupon's conditions. Make sure the items are eligible, you've met the minimum spend, the store participates, and the coupon hasn't expired. Note that some coupons can't be combined, so if stacking doesn't work, try applying the best single discount. If your coupon list looks empty, it may just be timing. Coupons refresh frequently, especially during sales events, so it's worth checking back. Also, try refreshing the page or reloading your app if something seems out of date. That's it. Now you know where to find coupons and credit and how to apply them for instant savings on Alibaba.